Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to convert HEIC to JPEG file. So the first thing that you want to actually do here is you want to open up a browser on your PC. So in your mobile browser here is you want to type in HEIC to JPEG and just click on enter. From here, you want to go to the first result here that you see on your screen and just click on the HEIC to JPEG.com. From here, you will see that you will be able to upload a maximum of 5 photos, which means you can actually upload or convert 5 photos at the same time. So here, I'm going to show you the photo that we'll be converting here. So it is the photo that I'm currently converting. As you can see, this is named sample.heic. And when we go to properties here, you'll be able to see that it is in HEIC file, just to confirm. So here, the only thing that you want to do here is you could either drag your file here, or you could just click on the plus button here, and you'll be able to actually choose the photo that you want to upload. So here, just go to the location where it's currently located. So right now it's in my desktop. I'm gonna choose this one, this HEIC file here, and just click on open. For in here, it's going to show you the upload process. So this might actually take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on the speed of your internet and the size or the quality of the image that you have right now. So just patiently wait for this one, and when it's actually finished, it's going to show you the download photo option at the top right there. So here, to start your download, just click on the button here that says download and the number of photos that you actually converted here, and just click on it. It's going to say preparing a zip file, since by default you could actually convert up to 5 photos, so it's going to download a zip file here. So you could actually open this up by default on your PC, since we have WinZip. I believe you gotta use that on your PC. So let's go to our downloads here. So just click on this arrow here, just click on show in folder, and from here you just want to go ahead and open this zip file here and drag the photo from the zip file outside. And when we actually open up our photo here, you will be able to see that it is now currently in a JPEG. So if we further inspect this one, just for example, right click on it and go to properties, you'll be able to see that the file is now in a JPEG file format, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.